Hello everyone. Let's continue chapter 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is conservation. Conservation means preservation or protection and careful management of resources such as plants and animal species. We need to conserve the forests and the organisms living in it to maintain its ecological balance. But before that, let's discuss some common terms. The first term is species. Species is a group of animals or plants that have similar characteristics and they are capable of interbreeding. Means the members of that species reproduce only with the member of their own species. Here in this picture you can see few examples of species. Here lion is a kind of one species and frog is a kind of another species. The next term is habitat. It is the place where plant or animal species live, reproduce and stay. For example, the natural habitat of camel is desert, while the natural habitat of fish is water. Now, the next term is endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular place or area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. Now the few examples of endemic species are: tapir is endemic to South America, grey jungle fowl is endemic to India, and lemur is endemic to Madagascar. Now the next term is extinct species. These are the animals that are not found anymore. Means that the species has died out completely. Not a single member of it is found on the earth. For example, dinosaur, dodo, then quagga are some of the examples of extinct species. Now let's know what is the meaning of endangered species. Now those animals which are not likely to survive and will soon become extinct if the factors remain the same are called endangered animals. Here in this picture you can see some of the endangered animals like Galapagos penguin, leatherback turtle, Asian elephant, blue whale and bonobo. Next is vulnerable species. Now these are the species that are declining and are likely to move into the category of endangered species in near future if the factors continue to operate. Those species are called vulnerable species. For example, chinkara, blackbug and golden langur. Next term is threatened species. Here both vulnerable and endangered species together are described as threatened species. Here in this picture you can see some of the threatened species. The next topic is wildlife. Many of the species are already extinct and many others are decreasing at an alarming rate. Now what could be the reason behind it? Let's discuss some of the major threats to wildlife. The first reason is the human activities like destruction of habitats by deforestation for construction of roads, railways, dams, etc. Then humans are using the forest land for commercial and agriculture purposes. Then there is a lot of hunting and poaching of animals. Poaching means the excessive killing of animals for their skin, meat and body parts. Then the next reason could be destruction of aquatic habitats by pollution and various other means which make the water unfit for fish and other aquatic animals to survive. Then there are some natural calamities like floods, epidemics and wildfires. Now human activities have disturbed the ecosystem very much, and this has resulted in climatic changes, the increase in the temperature. This is called global warming, and this has affected the species of plants and animals. They are not able to adjust with the change and have become extinct or threatened. So there is a need to conserve them. We have to take various steps to conserve the species of plants and animals. I hope you must have understood all the topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.